Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Outlook not syncing emails. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. First, confirm your internet connection is stable by opening a website in your browser. Close Outlook completely and make sure it is not running in the system tray. Restart your computer to clear temporary sync issues and background glitches. Open Outlook again and check the bottom status bar for working offline. If you see working offline, go to the Send/Receive tab and click Work Offline to turn it off. Go to the Send/Receive tab and click Send/Receive all folders to force a manual sync. Click the Outlook file menu and select Account Settings. Then choose Account Settings again. Select your email account and click Repair if the option is available. If Repair is not available, click Change and re-enter your password carefully. Open Windows Settings and verify date and time are set correctly, because wrong time can break authentication. In Outlook, go to File, then Office Account, and click Update Options. Then Update Now. Disable any VPN temporarily, because some VPNs block mail server connections. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus email scanning, because it can interfere with Outlook syncing. Go to Outlook File, then Options, then Advanced, and find the Send and Receive section. Make sure Send immediately when connected is checked to improve sending and syncing. Click the Send/Receive button, then choose Send/Receive Groups and select Define Send/Receive Groups. Ensure your main account is included and schedule an automatic Send/Receive is enabled. Back in Outlook, open the inbox and click on the Update Folder option if you use IMAP. Check your mailbox storage online, because a full mailbox can stop new mail from syncing. Sign into your email via webmail to confirm new emails are actually arriving to the server. If webmail has new emails but Outlook does not, remove and re-add the account in Outlook. Before removing the account, note your server settings from your email provider if it is not Microsoft 365. To re-add, go to File, then Add Account, then enter your email address and follow the prompts. If you use Outlook for Microsoft 365, open Control Panel and search for Mail to open Mail, Microsoft Outlook. Click Show Profiles, then create a new profile, and set it to be used when starting Outlook. Open Outlook with the new profile and check if emails start syncing normally. If syncing still fails, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool to detect and fix Outlook issues. Finally, reboot once more and perform a last manual Send/Receive to confirm the fix worked. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more quick tech fixes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.